Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to set up private connections in Orchestra. So you'll see the home screen of Orchestra here, and we'll just go to private connections in your settings, and you can see I've got a couple already set up, but we're going to add a new one just to show how this works. So I'm going to copy this resource ID, which is for an Azure Databricks connection. I'm going to go and click New Connection and call this Test2. Connect with Databricks, choose my region that I want it in. Again, if you can't see a region, please contact us and we should be able to support it. Then I'll put that in there with a different name. And then that will put that in pending state. And what that means is we will now configure all of the networking in our systems in order to connect to your instance. How that's then done is once we've done configuring that, you should be able to go to your resource in whatever cloud tool you're using. And for example, in Azure Databricks, we can go to settings, networking, private endpoint connections, and we can see all of the connections that we have initiated from our account into yours, where we can see we can approve or reject these kinds of requests. And once approved, you can go back into Orchestra, you can click the three dots on your connection, you can click refresh, and if all has gone well, then that should show in a connected state. If not, please reach out to us and we'll be able to fix that. Once this is in a connecting state, you can go to your integrations, you can go to anything that we support for a private connection. For example, again, going to go to Databricks, and you should see this connect using private link option become enabled. If you click the little checkbox on the right, then a list of private connections for this particular integration will show. I will click one, and then you can fill in the rest of the details as before. Click Add Credentials, and then that should have it all set up, ready to go.